Assalamualaikum. My name is Widi Mutakin. In this online course, you will learn SketchUp Free, or also known as SketchUp for Web. You will start from the very basic and then move up gradually to the advanced level. The curriculum is carefully crafted, so you will learn SketchUp in the most effective and efficient way. In less than 7 hours, inshallah, you will be able to master all the available tools and use them to create a 3D house design like this from start to finish. I am an entrepreneur who is also an academic lecturer in computer graphics. In terms of teaching online courses, by the time I record this video, I have over than 40,000 students on Udemy alone, with over 82,000 students in total worldwide, with an average star rating on Udemy above 4.5. For almost 20 years, I have worked on hundreds of architectural visualizations like this. I have clients on every continent in the world. Long story short, in this field, I am both a teacher and also an experienced professional. There are so many things you will learn in this online course. There are just too many to explain in this short video. To see the details, you can scroll down to the curriculum section. But just for a quick summary, this online course consists of 9 chapters, apart from the introduction chapter. In the first chapter, you will learn the interface of SketchUp Free as well as its basic features. You will learn to import 3D models from the 3D warehouse, then learn how to do navigation and use different types of views. Next, you will learn how to use the scenes feature. And then, we will discuss how to change the appearance of the 3D models using styles. After that, we will discuss various commands related to files, and also learn how to create a custom shortcut. In the second chapter, we will discuss basic 3D modeling techniques. We will start by learning the line tool, then discuss the concepts and features of inference in SketchUp. After that, we will discuss the rectangle tool, and then discuss one of the most important tools in SketchUp called the push-pull tool. Also, in this chapter, we will discuss various object selection techniques and techniques for deleting objects. Finally, we will cover how to use the offset tool. The third chapter is a practice chapter. First, we will model this planter box object, then create a 3D model of this cabinet. After that, we will try to create a 3D model of this pet house. In the fourth chapter, we will focus on object manipulation and object management techniques available in SketchUp Free. There are many things that we will discuss in this chapter. Some of them are object transformation from the basic to advanced techniques. Then, learn how to use tags to manage 3D objects more easily and quickly. Next, you will learn various duplication techniques. Then learn how to group objects either with the basic group method or with the more advanced method using component. In the fifth chapter, we will discuss various advanced modeling techniques. You will learn how to use rotated rectangle, learn the ins and outs of the circle tool and the polygon tool, then learn the concepts and techniques of smoothing 3D object surfaces. Then, you will learn how to use the freehand tool as well as the arc tool, and then create 3D text objects. And finally, learn to use the follow me tool. The sixth chapter is a special chapter for 3D modeling exercises. We will make use of the advanced techniques discussed earlier. We will start by modeling this coffee table, then learn to model a classic gate like this. Then learn how to model a square pillar like this. Next, we will discuss the techniques for creating a double-sided door, starting by making the door frame, then the door leaf, and finally we'll create the doorknob. Next, you will learn how to model a book like this. The last project in chapter 6 is creating a stair and its railing. You will learn a simple yet effective method for defining the stair steps without doing complex calculations manually. The seventh chapter focuses on discussing measurement and annotation techniques. Here, you will learn the tape measure tool, and then also the protractor tool. Next, you will learn different methods for assigning labels, such as for dimensions or simply for adding comments. Then, we'll cover how to create cutouts of our 3D model using the section plane. And finally, you will learn how to create custom access. In Chapter 8, you will learn to use materials and textures. In addition to learning to use the materials provided by SketchUp, you will also learn to create your own materials and textures. After that, we will discuss various methods of manipulations for textures that are already attached to 3D object surfaces. We will cover both flat surfaces and also curved surfaces. In the last chapter, or chapter 9, we will create the final project, which is a house. We'll start by importing the reference image, then model the walls, add windows and doors, then create the floor, the surrounding area, and also the carport. We will create the roof, which will be a double stacking type, then make a large canopy that covers the terrace and carport area. Finally, we'll add ornaments for the house facade. This is the final result. Inshallah, you will be able to create a house 3D model like this, and even more if you follow this course from start to finish. So, don't wait any longer. Join this online course now and improve your skill in the architectural field. Wassalamualaikum.